Good morning, students. Welcome back to the online session. I am Miss Sonali, your computer teacher. Today, let us do some exercise given backside of the lesson. In previous video, we have studied about the lesson. Now, let us solve the brain developer. In the brain developer, they have given section A. In that section A, they have given fill in the blanks. Here, you can see children. A, fill in the blanks is given. For this fill in the blanks, at the second page, they have given the hints. You all can see. There are some hints like CPU, store, data, instruction, monitor, VDU, 104, navigation, numerical keypad, mouse. Based on this hints, we have to write the answers. Now let us read the first one. A computer works with dash and dash. A computer works with dash and dash. You have to use the hints over there given here. A computer works with data and instruction. So the right answer is data. I am going to write here data. And the second one is what? Instruction. Now next one. A computer can dash large amount of information. You all can see here. A computer can store. What will be the answer, children? Store. A computer can store a large amount of information. As you all know, keyboard is having how many keys? A keyboard has 104 keys. Like this way, you all can solve the remaining. Now let us move to the next exercise, that is true or false. Let me read the true or false. They have given here state true or false. A computer has an IQ. Is it, children? Computer is having IQ like human. Is it? No. So, in this given box, I am going to write false. Computer is not having IQ like human. So, I have written false over there. Now, and second one I am going to read. An output printed on a paper is known as a soft copy. Is it, children? The output which is printed on a paper is called hard copy, not a soft copy. So this given statement is wrong. So I am going to write here false. Now let me read the next one. A computer has 4 main parts. Is it, children? Yes. Which are those parts? Monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. So this is right. The main 4 parts of computers are there. So I am going to write a true here. What we are going to write, children? True. MU stands for memory unit. Is it true, children? Yes, it is true. So I am going to mention here true. So like this way, you can solve the other. Now let us go to the next. That is match the following. You can see in the match the following, at the left side they have given this with the different color box. So let me read that. I give output on a paper. What is that? Which gives the output on the paper, which gives the printout. Yes, that is true. That is printer. So I am going to connect it to the printer like this way. Whatever you type and draw can be seen on me. What is that? Yes, you all are correct. That is monitor. I am not afraid of cat. Sit on a mat. Have a long tail. Can send email. What is that, children? Correct. That is mouse. So like this way you can solve the other two match the followings. Now let me go for the D. That is application based questions. You have to give the one word substitution for these all statements. Mary is reading the soft copy of a letter. Mary is reading the soft copy of a letter. Which part of the computer is she using? Yes. Can anybody tell me if I want to read? Then where I have to look for my soft copy? I have to look into monitor. So here I am going to write a monitor. One word substitution it is. I am going to write with the one word the answer, that is monitor. Now Supriya wants to paint using a computer. Which computer device will you suggest her to use for making a colorful drawing? If Supriya want to draw in a computer, which computer device will help her to draw? Yes, it is correct. That is mouse. So I am going to write here mouse. Like this way you can solve the remaining. I believe you all can do the remaining exercise as a classwork.